So let's say, example, 16x squared minus 17x plus. Then probably just 1. Okay, 1. Actually, negative 16 plus 17x minus 1. So again, what we have to do is put this down here, x and x, and then prime factorize. So for 16, I just sort of ignore it first with the negative, but there's a 1, remember? So you have to remember there's a negative. Sorry, but so there's a negative. So what that would mean is either one of these. So actually you can sort of shift this a bit, because maybe you don't think it works. So you might want to invent your own method or do anything you want, but you remember there's a negative. So either this is positive, this is negative, or this is positive and this is negative. But you can sort of bend the system. This is not correct, but you can. For example, when I said it's positive, it has to be one of them positive, one of them negative. But you can sort of move the negative here because there's a negative. So 1. So for example, this is negative. So move it here. You move it to here, and so this would be positive. It doesn't make sense. So it's a very flexible system. But also you have to be very careful for careless mistakes. So I myself don't want to move this around too much because it's very easy to get careless mistakes. However, you can do whatever you like but for this case, it works both ways because as long as for this problem, because this is positive, correct? So as long as the negatives are diagonals to each other, is correct. So for example, if negative, they're diagonals to each other. So, so this would be a very good example of a negative. So what you would do next is also cross multiply. You don't have to write the arrows every single time. I'm just trying to express it. So again, you would have negative 16x times negative 1, which would be 16x. So you see, I really like this system because it's really organized in a way that I really appreciate the inventor of the design. So it would be 17x. So that would equal. So that's correct. So now we would have to group it. So when you get faster, it's just really fast to understand this. So this is